It's read now for grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I am also good. Alhamdulillah, I want to say welcome after a weekend. I hope you enjoyed your weekend a lot. Now be energetic for studies. I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. Once again, I want to say welcome in our online class. As you know, it is our English online class. It is our English lecture time. Today, our class assignment is Dog Meets Wolf. As you know, we all have done the reading, explanation, back exercise, and the exercise number 1, words meaning. Today we are going to do the exercise number 2, make sentences, and we will do dictation line number 11 on our English literature notebooks. So hurry up all of you, open your English literature notebooks. You will maintain your page same like this. Firstly, you will write Monday, comma, 12th April 2021. Don't forget to draw the margin line and don't forget to write the topic. Topic is Dog Meets Wolf and exercise number 2, make sentences. So the first word is chased. Students, as I have told to you, as I have explained the meaning of chase, chase means to follow someone. In this picture, you will see a cat is chasing a rat. So to follow someone, cat is going to follow rat. So we will make the sentence of chase. A cat chased the rat. A cat chased the rat. Don't forget to put the full stop at the end of your sentence, and the first letter of the capital always will be capital. So don't forget to put the first letter is capital. So I have completed the sentence of chase. A cat chased the rat. Full stop and the first letter is capital. Now sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 is kind. Kind means loving. So the sentence is my mother is very kind, as the sentence is explaining by the picture. As you can see, mother is taking an umbrella in the rain, and in front of the mother, her child, by his love, she is taking care of her child. So kind, my mother is very kind. And it is understood, students, mother is always very kind. Sentence number 3. Excuse me. Meal, meal, meal. Meal mean food. As you have learned the meaning of meal, meal mean food. So you will make a sentence of meal. As you can see here, here is a variety of meal. I take snack in meal. I take snack in meal. Number 4, master. Master mean honor. Master, I have a very kind master. You can see in this picture, master mean honor, master mean teacher, master mean honor or teacher. I have a very kind master. Sentence number 5, health. My health is very good. Good health is blessing of Allah, students. Good health is blessing of Allah. So I have make a sentence is my health is very good. First letter is capital and end of the sentence is the full stop is here. So you will make the sentence my health is very good, and you can make any more sentences by your own self. Okay students. Excuse me. Sentence number 6, beggar. Who is a beggar? A person who is typically poor. So we will make a sentence of beggar, and let's see the picture of beggar. As you can see in this picture, here is a picture of a beggar. So we will make a sentence, I saw a beggar. Sentence number 7, danger. D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. There is danger ahead. There is danger ahead. As the sentence is explaining by the picture, there is a danger. So the sentence of danger, there is danger ahead. Sentence number 8, ugly, ugly, ugly. This dog is very ugly. The meaning of the ugly is not looking beautiful, not attractive. Okay, students, ugly mean not looking beautiful or not attractive. So the sentence of the ugly is this dog is very ugly. As you can see, a girl has an ugly face and this is an ugly dog. Sentence number 9. Please, please give me pencil. It is a courtesy word, please. So when you want anything from anyone, so you will say please, please give me pencil. Now last one sentence is number 10, kennel. A dog house is called kennel. As I have told to you, the dog's house is called a kennel and kennel is the name of the dog's house. Now let's see the dog's house. This is the dog's house and its name is kennel. Students, I have made the sentence very easy sentence for you. You can make any more sentence by these words. You can take the help by your parents, by your tuition teachers. I make the sentence for you. Write the sentence on your notebook. So students, let's see. This is your classwork page. You will write Monday 12th April 2021. Topic is dog meets wolf and exercise 2, make sentences. You will do maintain your page same like this and then you will make the sentence as it is. Number 1, chase, kind, meal, master, health, beggar, danger, ugly, please and kennel. These are the 10 word sentences. It is your homework. Okay, students? And you will do the dictation line number 11 on the next page. After the sentence, you will maintain the page for your dictation line number 11. You will revise these words: dropped, scratching, bear, strange and firewood. Then you will write these dictation words by the help of your mother, by the help of your tuition teacher. You will write these words on your English literature notebooks. I hope you will not do the cheating. You will do your work honestly. Okay, students, I hope you have better understanding about today's topic. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture. It is your home assignment, dog meets wolf, learn classwork and dictation line number 12. Okay, students, tomorrow I will take the test of dictation line number 12. It is your class assignment. It is your home assignment also. You will learn these sentences and dictation line number 12. Allah Hafiz, students. Have a nice day. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture at the same time at the same place. Allah Hafiz, students.